I'm also working on my, I guess, mud wall. Most people have a mud room. I'm going to have a mud wall where you can, after going outside, put your boots, coat, there'll be hooks, you know.
Next up, you'll see how we transform this entryway. And please subscribe and become one of our candies, someone who can do it. Dadgum, this is how we started, but walls came down.
That full opening, which I'm proud of.
This is something you can do. Just take out whatever you don't want, piece by piece.
This is the entryway. It is now gray. The trim needs to be painted, but it's this beautiful gray now, and it used to be awful. We have lights in the entryway and no more hangy things, although I have to fix the holes still. And we have lights here. So maybe we can get a washer and dryer at work, replace those. Yeah, we heard they didn't work in the entryway lights.
I wanted a focal wall, and I had seen this done at a friend's house. So I just added piece by piece using construction glue and nails. It went up so easy. It was almost like doing Legos. You can do this anywhere in your house.
Okay, this is where it gets really tricky. I bought a kit, 3. It looks like 2 is going to do the job, but they were like storage cubes for closets. And I bought them so that I could mess with them and change them and make a place here in the entryway, if you can see it. I love that one. I love it, love it, love it. And there's more in here too, but okay, so I bought the kit, and James helped me cut the wood because it was it was about this tall, you know, and if you can see, there's no way I could sit on that. I couldn't sit on that. It's too tall. So we ripped it down, and I'm cheating again. So we're going to see how it works out. I'm going to put it all together. I'll do the time delay because videos take so long. And yeah, we'll see if it works with construction glue and nails.
The shelving kit that I purchased was for cubicles. It was way too tall. So we cut it down until it was the exact size I wanted. It was so easy to put together, and I used construction glue and nails again. This is an easy project for anyone.
So what do you think? Can you see it? So it covers the whole area of the window, just for shoes and boots to change. And then there'll be hooks on either side of the window here. I want to paint it. See how dark it is? We're going to paint it. Well, let's go look at the paints. Oh, yes. I think this is the winner. It's called Chalk Pool, and it's pretty much that color. I love it. And it'll stick to the shiny stuff. So matte finish, no prep, acrylic paint. I love this stuff. See? Don't you think that'll look beautiful?
Now for that little laundry room area. It was so unsightly, so we built up the wall to give the doors a place to sit. The directions the doors came with were perfect and easy to follow. It is so beautiful now. We are going to have to finish that wall. So much better. This is another project you can do, and that is to dress up around the windowsill. The window's been installed, everything else has been done. So the pieces of the wood that go around inside are just cut, doing the sill first, and then the frame around. And it's just gorgeous. It's straightforward, and then those few little places things don't match, just silicone. Wipe it, and when it's painted, it will look beautiful. My daughter, Deborah Marie Brown, is an artist, and she did some custom art for us for the cabin. These pictures were so beautiful. I love them. I'll put a link to her site below so that you can go on and see what she's doing now. I just love her work, and I feel like these were perfect for the cabin. Amazing, isn't it? Pretend the animals have had a cell phone. Ouch! Remember this? Wow. It was so closed off and dark, and now it's so light. It's a completely open floor plan. And you can see through to the door. Laundry is covered. Another DebraMarieArt. What a difference. Thanks for joining us, and please subscribe to become one of our candies. This is Minnie. She loves the cabin.